Hey everyone, welcome to our channel Java Beam, and this is Satya. In this video, I am going to explain you about monkey patching. So here we are going to discuss what is monkey patching and what is the advantage, and in which scenario we will go for monkey patching in Python. We will discuss. Yeah. This is my PyCharm editor. Here I will show you example. Let's say I have one file test2. There I have method test2 dot run, and this will give the output something like this. This is a run method, and I want to change the behavior dynamically. So here the monkey patching is nothing but changing the behavior of a method or a function or object, anything in Python, and dynamically. So without touching the function inside this, I'm going to change the behavior of run method. So that is, we can say that is monkey patching. So let me write one method here or function run2, and this is printing something like this is a string I am going to print now. When the run method is called, I want to execute this one. So I am altering the behavior of existing run method without altering the actual source code. So now what we have to do is to do monkey patching. That is, we have to assign the actual method. See, this is the new method. I am going to assign to the actual method, so that whenever I am calling this run method from test2 file, run2 method will be executed. That is my expectation. Let me call test2 dot run, and we'll see the behavior. Yeah. See, now second time it executed, welcome to my Java Beam YouTube channel. But previously it was executing, this is the run method, this is the output. So here you can understand how we are altering the method dynamically. So if you see the source code, it is not changed, but the behavior is changed dynamically. That is the advantage when you are going for monkey patch. Let me give you other example. I want to change the behavior of print method. Print function which is available, it's an inbuilt function in Python. Something, yeah, this is a print function. Welcome to Python, it is printing. Now I want to alter the behavior. Whenever I am printing something, I want to print something along with this one, or I want to do something else on print method. So for that I will do monkey patching. Let's see how we are doing monkey patching here. Before monkey patching, I will take a some variable, something like, and I will keep the print method behavior. So I am copying the print method behavior into original print, and here this is my new method, custom method, custom print, and this take the inputs like all the arguments and variable arguments, and here I will call the print method to print. So before printing, I will do something like, I will print monkey patching, and I will pass the arguments. Yeah. Now we'll do the monkey patching. Print method, whenever I am calling print method, I will need to execute custom print. this is how we need to give. We should not give a method calling. We should assign the method itself. Now let me call the print. It will give the different behavior in this time. I want to print here, but I did monkey patching. So let's see what it will be printing right now. See, in this case, second one, I passed here to print method, but here we can see monkey patching here. So here this method behavior is altered. This is the inbuilt method available in Python, and built-in method has been overridden dynamically, but we didn't change the actual method. But in for time being, inside our function, what we say, inside our method or inside our file, we have changed the behavior of print. So wherever you call print after this line, the behavior will be like this only, something like. Yeah. So the advantage is, now when I call print method, I can perform some additional operations. Let's say I want to store all the data which is passing to print method. I'm taking one args list, what are args are passing, and variable args which are passing. I want to store all these. So let me store here dot append. Here I can pass args, and same way args we also. Oh, yeah, argsv list, and here this argsv I am printing, storing. Now let me print. Yeah, so if I call print with some testing 1 and testing 2, what is the output we are getting? Yeah, so this is the output we are getting with monkey patching and this. And I want to see what are the arguments are passed as of now to my print method. So I am storing in list. So this list I will print now. So for print I cannot use this one. If I use this again, it will go to custom print and it will call this again. So instead of that, I will call my original print and I will print the list. Arg list. Now we can see what are all arguments are being passed to my print method. See, we captured this, and you can use these arguments whatever you wish, you can do further. Yeah, that's all how we can do monkey patching in Python. The advantage is we no need to change the existing behavior, but dynamically we can alter the behavior, and like we can customize or we can extend the behavior, and we can use that method. So where you are calling, there you no need to change the method name or signature or anything. Just before that you will do monkey patch. This is the line where we are doing monkey patching. Thanks for watching, and please do subscribe my channel for latest updates. That's all for now on monkey patching in Python. Bye.